Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix lag and hanging problem in your Infinix Smart 10 smartphone. So if you sometimes see your apps are slowly working, and when you just tap on it, it will giving you slow respond or anything else you are doing. So friends, first let's open to the file manager. Here it is, the Google file manager. So you can see that there are some downloads, images, videos and applications are there. So first of all, you have to uninstall the unwanted, unuseful applications, images, videos, documents and everything that are not necessary to keep it in your smartphone. Just delete them. So you have to release some of your storage. Then friends, you have, if you have any software kind of update is there, you can update through the settings like this, and then you have to update all the applications, restart your device and your smartphone will be fixed. You can see that. And if you are doing heavy task gameplay and charging smartphone while playing gameplay, it will degrade your battery life also, and it will also causing hang issues or battery drain issues like this in the long term. So you can avoid these things. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.